My name is Kainton, the Tech Pro, and today we are going to be continuing with question 26, and we are going to be looking at what is logistic regression. So this is going to be a very short question. Give me a sec. Okay. Yeah. So it's going to be a very short one, and let me just go ahead to read the answer. Logistic regression is also called binary regression, and it's a type of regression used for binary events. So remember that regression is used to predict the outputs. For instance, we have x, we have y, you have x1, x2, we have y1, y2, and now you are given all this series of data sets, and at some point you are given xi, and you are told to find yi. So in this case, you have y to be a continuous variable. But in case of logistic regression, we only have two variables. It can either be y, will either be, I think I use the symbol, will either be 0 or 1, or y could either be -1 and +1. So we have two classes. Now, there are some situations that we may have more than one class, let's say maybe 3. But that explanation is out of the scope of this particular explanation. So now to explain it a little further, when you have normal regression, that is not logistic regression, let's say linear or polynomial regression, you have a data fitting, a regression line fitting through the data. But now when you have logistic regression, I'm going to show you the shape of this data, the curve. So whatever you have, the plot looks like, okay, the regression line is going to be something like this. It's going to be something like this, goes up and goes up, goes this way. So at some point you have 0 and here you have 1. So at some point there may be some dividing line that helps you to see that whatever is above here is 0 and whatever is below, whatever data point is classified, sorry, this is 1, is classified as 1. So this is what logistic regression is all about. In the next lesson, we are now going to look at actually how the logistic regression model works in very simple terms. I'm going to stop here and also like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. I'll see you in the next lesson.